Raglan shoulder pads are a beautiful way of shaping shoulder silhouettes, and we've just used them in our Arlette cardigan sewing pattern. This is why we want to show you how to make them yourself. You need 4 sew-on snap fasteners, also scraps of volume fleece in a thicker weight and a thinner weight. Also, you'll need 20 centimeters of lining fabric. Place one smaller piece on one bigger piece and hand stitch them together with large stitches. Attach the volume fleece to the side marked with an X on pattern piece 1. That means that the smaller piece is placed on the left side of the lining fabric. Sew around the round shoulder pad to secure the volume fleece on the lining fabric. Trim excess volume fleece. Now fold piece 1 on the fold line, right sides together. Sew around again but leave an opening for turning. Turn the cushion and shape the edges. If necessary, use a knitting needle to form out all corners. Hand stitch the turning opening closed. Press. Best is to use seam and not press down on the shoulder pad too much. Sew on 2 snap fasteners. We like snapping them into the garment because you can easily remove them before washing. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our tutorial. If you want to have a look at our website sistermagpatterns.com, we would love that.